My name is David Andrew Maluleke, Independent Candidate Council for Ward 27. This is our manifesto for Ward 27. We, the community of Ward 27, commit that the People's Councillor concentrate on improving the following service delivery challenges. The People's Councillor will be available for the community of Ward 27 for 24 hours and 7 days a week. Housing backlog. The People's Councillor will make sure that he identifies unused pockets of land in Ward 27 and table a motion in the Council of developing all those unused pockets of land into housing units. One of them is Bakoman. Rubbish refusal. The People's Councillor will monitor the collection of rubbish to make sure it's consistent. He will develop a plan to have neighborhoods cleaning parties to make sure that our environment is always clean. Clean water. The People's Councillor will make sure that the community of Ward 27 have clean running water every day, and he will use water tanks when there's no water in our taps. Infrastructure development and maintenance. The People's Councillor will make sure that all the street, hall, sports facilities, sewer and storm water systems are maintained. Delivery of electricity. The People's Councillor will make sure to use renewable energy to eliminate electricity problem, like introducing and educating the community of Ward 27 about solar system and gas. Safety and security. The People's Council will help to equip and train the neighborhood watch or patrollers at every voting district to able to fight GBV. He will put pressure on the South African Police Service and municipal police to fight crime by working closely with the community patrollers and community policing forum. Parks and recreation centers. The People's Councillor will make sure that all parks are clean every time and there's development in the ward. Then it's social obligation. The People's Councillor will adopt poor families and schools in the ward to make sure that he helps with the struggle. For example, groceries for the adopted families and sanitary towels for the poor girls at school. Closing, we believe that as the community we can make our township better by choosing an independent councillor who will only get mandate direct from the community, unlike taking mandate from the political party that he or she is affiliated with. The People's Councillor will report to the community every 3 months. We say the community needs to know about the budget of the ward and he have to table it every year. The People's Councillor will be transparent when dealing with the community. The People's Councillor can implement the People's Manifesto only if the community gives David Andrew Maluleke a chance. Development of the country starts with the development of the community. Many communities in South Africa have capable individuals who can lead the development campaign to success, but have no one supporting them. The criteria used to choose the leader in many communities is biased. Many of individuals elected to lead their communities were not deployed on merit. Some became leaders because they are friends in the leadership of particular party. People, community of Ward 27, let's go out on the 1st of November 2021 and vote for Andrew David Maluleke, Comrade Whiskey. Let's vote for community first. Community of Ward 27, if you go and vote, if you think I'm the right person to do whatever you think it will be right for you, you deserve the things that you are asking for. Vote for this man. On the ballot paper, I don't belong to any party. Vote for this man. Look for this picture on the ballot paper and put your X next to it. Aluta.